Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to design the custom icon with text like the store we're looking at right now. A successful e-commerce site, Press London is a top UK health and wellness brand selling cold-pressed juices, cleanses, soups, and nutritional meals. Take a look at their product page and scroll down to the section. You see they are clean and professional with a strong main heading centered, a short descriptive paragraph. They also have 4 columns featuring an icon and benefit, and a clickable link to learn more. I think this kind of layout is incredible for highlighting your product's key features or benefits in a way that's very easy for customers to digest and actually drives them to click. So to copy that specific feature block, we're going to use the Smind Sections app and click Sections. From there, we have to select the Icon with Text section and find exactly the layout section that matches to the reference store. Click this section to see its preview and click Install to start to customize it. We're in the Shopify editor theme right now, and we must go to the product page to add the sections. From the home page, I'll try to access the collection and choose any product to see the product page template. Now, look at the left-hand sidebar of the template. You can add the section from here. For example, I want to add this section below the rich text section. Select the icon with text one-to-one to insert it to the page. Then click on the section to open the settings and start to change the main heading text. For example, I copy the text from the store and paste it right there. Next up, I'm going to update the main description text right below the heading and highlight the text to make it bold, or I'll add the hyperlinks for the text to direct the customer to the page I want. In the left sidebar, I'm going to customize each block in the column. Under the block settings, click to upload or select a custom icon image. After that, adjust the icon size to 80 pixels and change its background color to white color. Next, we have to change the block's heading text to reflect your specific feature. Then, update the description text for the block. To make this block interactive, we also update the text and create a link for the button by pasting the URL right into the field. You see the text button is too large, so I want a smaller one. Open the Smind style and find the Typography Advanced block to see the button settings, where you can change the font weight to bold and decrease the font size to 10 pixels, and that looks good, by the way. So go back to the main section, and we want to remove the default blocks that you do not need. Then click Duplicate on your fully customized first block exactly 3 times to change the content. Select the second block and start to update the heading text to your next feature. Make sure to update the button label and its corresponding link URL as well. To finish up, we want to change the preview to the mobile version to see what it looks like, and I think we need to change the style of pagination on the mobile phone. Going back to the main settings and finding the option that we want to change the line style. Finally, take a moment to review the final layout on the main preview screen to ensure everything looks correct and click Save. Now you've successfully built an icon with text section that looks exactly like the reference site. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next training video.